You've jumped in. So, we jumped in with videos. So I am going to show you a little bit more about me. So Mam's going to go get some people. Okay, so first off, we have my mom, Maisie. So I'm going to step aside. Oh, hello, dear. My name's Maisie. I'm Riley's mom. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure. Mom, what's your favorite color? Oh, I'm not sure. Black, white, pink, and where were you born? Oh, I was born in Iowa. Iowa? Yes. And where I was born? Oh, Arizona. So if any of you were born in Iowa or Arizona, please leave a comment below. And, is that it, sweetums? Yes, Mom. Thank you. Okay, now, my mom's best friend, Mary. And mine. Bye-bye. Stand up, Mary. Well, hi there. My name's Mary. Where were you born, Mary? Arizona. And what's your favorite color? Pink. Okay. Thanks, Mary. Come on. And now my small fry friends. Mam's gonna help me. Okay, so there's me, Riley. Shaggers, my puppy. Ah! Okay, Shaggers, my puppy. Hello, I just do one by one. Shaggers, my puppy. Oof. He's a shaggy, paperback pup, and he's a small fry. And then my friend Annie, she's Mary's daughter. Hi. My favorite color is lavender. And then last but not least, Hopper. Hi, I'm Hopper. I'm Riley's best friend. I'm Vanilla Cream Bunny. Except I'm a small fry and I have a buck tooth. My favorite color is yellow. My bow's yellow. Eyes in the back. Cute face in the front. So that's a little bit more about me. I just wanted you guys to know a little bit more, like, about my family and my friends. And my other best friend is Ma'am, but I can't show her face. Here, I'll just ask a couple questions. Ma'am, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
And where were you born?
California.